When the weather is hot, you need an efficient way to stay cool. SereneLife's portable air conditioners are your solution to staying comfortable when outside temperatures rise. A sleek, modern design is packed with an efficient cooling system that can go anywhere around the house, at the office, or even out in the garage. With remote control access, you can quickly and easily shift through modes of cooling, fan, and dehumidifier. Select your desired temperature without interrupting your relaxation. Smooth rolling caster wheels allow for easy transport between rooms, so you can bring comfort to any area of the house. Simply roll to your desired location, easily install the windowsill, attach the flexible vent hose, and feel the cool breeze quietly generated just for you. Save energy by cooling only the spaces you need. Everyone knows cooler temperatures help you rest better, and with SereneLife's portable AC, you no longer have to cool your entire home to get optimal sleep. With their super quiet operation and built-in swing vent function, you can enjoy a nice cool breeze all night long or while you're at work without any disturbing noises. The dehumidifier mode allows you to control moisture levels as well, making your air feel fresher by reducing the occurrence of allergens like dust mites and mildew. A built-in 24-hour timer allows you to set cooling times to your schedule. Everything you want in one space-saving unit. Make your spaces comfortable again with a portable air conditioner by SereneLife.
Thank you for your interest in the Hessaire portable evaporative coolers. The evaporative cooling uses a fan to draw the hot, dry air through a wet media and blows out moist, cool air. People in the desert Southwest are more familiar with evaporative coolers and often refer to them as swamp coolers. Evaporative coolers work best in dry desert climates where they can deliver air that feels up to 25 degrees cooler. Evaporative cooling effect is reduced in humid areas. Hessaire portable evaporative coolers can still deliver air that feels 10 degrees cooler, even in high humidity areas such as Louisiana and Florida. The pump circulates water from the tank to soak the high-density evaporative media, and quiet, powerful fans draw the air through the cool, wet media. There is no compressor. Electrical operating costs of cooling is only a few cents per hour. The Hessaire line of portable evaporative coolers covers a broad range of cooler needs from small personal spaces to larger industrial areas. They're ideal for spot cooling in RV camping, on your patio, or in your workshop. Coolers are best suited for outdoor cooling and large open areas where it is not practical for air conditioning. All Hessaire models feature multiple fan speeds, and models MC37, MC61, and MC92 feature an air sweep function for larger area coverage. Hessaire evaporative coolers are not for use inside enclosed rooms. Evaporative cooling introduces moisture into the air. The moisture will build up in the air and the room will feel like a sauna. In extreme humidity environments, additional humidity can cause drywall damage or mold. Hessaire evaporative coolers can be used inside enclosed rooms only while windows and doors are open. Hessaire portable evaporative coolers operate best as a spot cooler in open spaces and are portable enough to transport and use almost anywhere.
The Honeywell 14,000 BTU Heat and Cool Portable Air Conditioner, Dehumidifier, and Fan offers 4-in-1 heating and cooling. The powerful heating keeps you warm during the fall and winter, cooling gives you relief in the spring and summer, the dehumidifier is perfect for humid days and can remove up to 51 pints over the course of 24 hours with a continuous drain tube for longer unattended operation, and the fan has been added for everyday comfort. The easy-to-use digital controls with temperature display, 3 fan speeds to choose from, and 24-hour energy-saving timer are on the front of the unit, and a remote control has been included for added convenience. Maintenance has been made easy with the Filter Clean Alert and washable filter designed to protect your unit from dust and hair. This unit is perfect for targeted spot cooling in rooms as big as 700 square feet, heating areas up to 500 square feet, and can save you money on electricity bills by heating or cooling only rooms you need as opposed to using your whole house central air conditioner and heater. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.